It's my pleasure to meet my viewers and also my students who are interestingly watching my videos. I've been doing problems of engineering mathematics and also MBA and MCA problems. But I like to do problems in JEE and also IIT problems so that it would help the students who are watching this video to and preparing for the JEE and IIT exams. It's my request that if you have any doubts with regard to my teaching, you can very well write to me, and you have any doubts otherwise also you can write to my mail address so that I will be in a position to clarify your doubts. With this small introduction, let me solve this problem, today's problem for you. This is a problem that has come in IIT 1996. Now, see, this is an integral. Because of the space here, small space, try to follow me very carefully so that I will be explaining everything, but it will be written sometimes without the explanations have been properly written on the board. That will be done, but explanations will be given then and there. Now, see, you take this I is equal to a to infinity dx by x to the power of 4 plus x squared by a squared, this one. Now, small basic things that you must know. Do not keep the square root or a cube root or anything in the denominator. Get rid of that. Then only it will be easy for you to do the integration. And also, I told you in earlier classes in all my previous videos that never keep quadratic or cubic circular functions or any function. Try to bring it to a sum form, then only you'll be able to integrate. Now keep that in your mind. Now here I take what I'm going to do is I'm going to go for a substitution method. But when you're having like this, it is better that you go for a trigonometrical substitution. And that too, trigonometrical substitution means either you substitute sine theta or cos theta or tan theta accordingly what is there in the problem. Here in this particular problem, we are taking x is equal to a tan theta. So this will give us a dx is equal to a secant squared theta d theta. I take x is equal to a tan theta, so that if you take the differentials on both sides, you get dx is equal to a secant squared theta into d theta. Now, when you go for the change of variables, then naturally your limit also changes, because here x is equal to a and x is equal to infinity. So here what is the input? When x is equal to a, it is a into tan theta. So this a and a will go off, giving you tan theta is equal to 1. So theta is equal to pi by 4. So we are getting the limit. So when x is equal to a, your theta will be equal to pi by 4. That is the first and foremost thing that you must do. Then, likewise, when you give infinity, it is a tan theta. So a tan theta will be equal to your infinity by a, that is infinity. So theta will be equal to pi by 2, because tan pi by 2 is infinity. So you see that the new limit has come. What is pi by 4 to pi by 2? Now what will happen here is, it is pi by 4 to pi by 2. What is dx? Dx is a secant square theta into d theta divided by a to the power of 4. It is tan 4 theta into, you see that x squared plus a squared. Here x squared, here a squared. X squared is what? A squared tan square theta. So when you take from the square root outside, it will be nothing but what? It is a into 1 plus tan square theta will be secant square theta, the square root of which is secant theta. So you are left with a secant theta. You are able to understand? So in this, it is a square root of 1 plus tan square theta, that is secant square theta for secant theta. For a square, the square root is a, that's why I got. Now you see that I can cancel this and 1, this is gone. So you are left with 1 by a to the power of 4, pi by 2 to pi by 4. It is secant. I will write the secant theta as 1 by cos theta into tan to the power of 4 theta is sin to the power of 4 divided by cos to the power of 4. So naturally this cos to the power of 4 will go to numerator and sin to the power of 4 theta into d theta. Now you see that I will write, because of the space and everything I am explaining, but I will write the steps, you must be able to understand. So you see that this is cos cubed theta, so I will write this as a to the power of 4. I will write this as cos theta into cos squared theta divided by sin to the power of 4 theta d theta. So I will write like this. Now I will write this as a to the power of 4 into, you see that this I will write it as cos theta into cos squared theta is 1 minus sin squared theta. Cos squared theta is 1 minus sin squared theta. So in the place of this cos squared theta, if you are going to write 1 minus sin squared theta, you will have two integrals. One is it is pi by 4 to pi by 2, pi by 4 to pi by 2, and here it is what? It is cos theta divided by sin to the power of 4 theta d theta minus, here you see that 1 minus sin squared theta, so cos theta into sin squared. So you will get what? This sin squared theta and this sin, see it will be sin squared theta, but bottom you have got sin to the power of 4 theta, so one sin squared theta will go off, leaving you with what? It is pi by 4 to pi by 4, it is cos theta divided by sin squared theta d theta. So this is what you will have. So I have given you so much explanation. Cos squared theta, you write it as 1 minus sin squared theta, so that you will get this one. Now let me write here. So what is that you are having here? So I is equal to, now you see that this I will write it as 1 by a to the power of 4. It is 1. See, I will write here. Integral of 1 pi by 4 to pi by 4 d of sin theta divided by sin to the power of 4 theta, this one, minus, it is pi by 4 to pi by 2 into d of sin theta divided by sin squared theta. Okay. Now this is what we'll have. So in the place of cos theta, you write it as d of sin theta. D of sin theta is cos theta into d theta. Okay, so I will write like this. Now you can go for another substitution. Actually speaking, you can go for another substitution. Take sin theta, something like that you can do, and you can solve the integral. But I will give you the easy way of doing it. That you identify this as, see this I will tell you. You identify this as dx by x to the power of 4. In the place of x, you have got sin theta. So dx by x to the power of 4, this is nothing but, see the integral of this is x to the power of minus 4 plus 1 divided by minus 3. So this is equal to minus 1 by 3x cube. So you substitute and do, you will get the same thing. So using this method, what I get here is that, see what is that I will get here? So what is that I will get here? See. So this will be equal to your 1 by a to the power of 4 minus 1 by 3 of sin cubed theta minus, see here, yes, I will put here for this also, it is pi by 4 to pi by 2. Okay, minus, here again the same thing, it is d theta by x squared. X squared means what? Minus 1 by x. So what is that you will get here? It is minus 1 by sin theta. It is pi by 4 to pi by 2, and this is what you will get. Are you able to catch what I am doing here? So you see that you are getting this. So this will be equal to 1 by a to the power of 4. Now take here, for this you take this outside. So I will write this here. Minus, here it is 1 by sin cube theta, it is pi by 4 to pi by 2, take this here, minus into minus is plus, 1 by 4 into 1 by sin theta pi by 4 to pi by 2, take utmost care to do simplification, otherwise you will get a wrong answer. So be careful with that. So it is minus, see I am taking this outside, minus 3 to 1 by sine cubed theta, pi by 4 to this, plus minus into minus is plus, I am getting this. So this will be equal to minus 1 3 to the power of 4. Say what is that when you put theta is equal to pi by 2, it is 1. Because sine theta pi by 2 is 1, so 1 cubed is 1. And this will be equal to what? Sine pi by 4. Sine pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. So this is nothing but sine cubed. See? Sine pi by 4 whole cubed. So sine pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. The whole cube means 1 by 2 root 2. It will go as what? It will be a numerator and they will get upside down. So it is nothing but what? 1 divided by 1 by 2 root 2. 2 root 2 will go to the top. So you are left with what? So what is that you will get here now? So this is nothing but 1 minus 2 root 2 plus 1 by a to the power of 4 into what is that you get? Here it is 1 minus, this is root 2. Same this thing. So you are left with what? 1 by a to the power of 4. I am taking it outside. 1 minus root 2 here. 1 minus root 2 minus 3 minus, see, 1 by root 2, it is 1 minus root 2, then minus, I will take this, 1 minus 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 of root 2. See, I am taking this 1 minus root 2 minus into minus is minus, if you take it's minus 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 root 2. So you are left with what? 1 minus 3 minus 1 minus 1 by 3 is 2 by 3. So 1 by 4 into 2 by 3 minus, it is how much this is? Minus 3 by 2 minus 3 times of 3 by 2. So it is minus root 2 by 3. So you are left with what? 1 by a to the power of 3. You take it outside. So you within brackets you get 1 by 2. So this is your answer. So this one. So you have got the answer. So this is how we solve it. So try to understand how to substitute. Trigonometrical substitutions must be there, and that how the limit must be changed so that you will get the answer. So this is the solution for this one. Now let us take the second one. Say this is your first one is over. So this is over. Let us come to this one. Let us come to this one. See what is that you are having here. See, I will go for this. When x is not equal to 0 and a is not equal to, you get what? A. Say I will change. See, this is your 1. Call this as your 2. Change x to 1 by x. So what is that you will get? A f of 1 by x plus b of fx is equal to x minus 5. So wherever x comes, you change it as 1 by x. So you will get this. Now you go for this integral 1 to 2. You are asked to find the here I write find 1 to 2 f of x dx. This is what I should find. Okay, now so you integrate both sides this. So what is that you have? A f 1 by x dx plus b f of x dx is equal to integral of x. What is that integral of x? It is x squared by 2 minus 5x, but this must be integrated from 1 to 2. So 1 to, so this will be equal to what here? 2 minus 10 minus half plus 5. So you are left with what? It is 3 by 2 minus 5, that is equal to 7 2 minus this one. So you have this. Okay, now see, integrate 2 2 limits are 1 to 2. Limit, integrate this with limits 1 to 2. So what is that you have? 1 to 2 a f of x dx plus b integral of f of 1 by x dx is equal to integral of 1 by x is log x and it is from 1 to 2 minus 5x, it is 1 to 2. Now if you apply this, log 2 minus log 1 is 0, so you will get log of 2. Minus, this is, how much will you get here? It is minus, you will get it as what? Minus, this is also, see, this is also from, it is 10x minus, it is 5. Log 2 minus log 2 minus 5. Now you call this as your 4. Call this as your 4. Now what is the answer? What is the question that is being asked here? Find the value of 1 to 2 f of x dx. See, here you have got f of x dx you have got here and f of x dx you have got here. So I don't want this f of 1 by x. So multiply this by b and this by a and subtract, so that these two will get rid of. Am I able to understand? See, this is, I want the value of integral of f of x dx. So I want to retain this one. So what I have got two equations 3 and 4. I am going to solve the two equations to get rid of this integral a to a of f of 1 by x dx. So multiply this by a. See, I will write here b into 3 minus a into 4. Multiply this and a minus 1. What is that you will get? Multiply this b, so that you will get what? Here you will get it as, see, minus 7. Here you will get b squared. See, I will write here b squared integral of 1 to 2 f of x dx minus, because this is ab, f of 1 by x integral, and here also it is ab integral of 1 to 2 f of x. So when you subtract, these two will go off. Here b squared minus this one. So you are left with what? A squared 1 to 2 f of x dx is equal to, what is that you will get here? Here you get minus 7 by 2 of, you are multiplying this by 3 by b. So this is b minus, say this is by a. So what is that you will get? A into log 2 minus 5. Are you able to understand? So you see that you call this as your 5. So what is that I have written? So you know I must get rid of this f of integral of f of 1 by x. Here also you have got. So multiply this by a and multiply this b, subtract, you will get. When you multiply, you must multiply throughout by b. So it is b squared. So b squared into f of x dx integral of that minus, it is a squared into integral of that is equal to minus 7 by 2 of b minus 4 a. Here you are multiplying this by a. So it is a of log 2 minus log 5. Call this as 5. Now from 5, what is that you get here? So I will write here 5 gives, see, 5 gives, so what is that you are having? It is b squared minus a squared integral of 1 to 2 f of x dx is equal to, I will write it here, it is minus 7 by 2, okay. You can write it in any way you want. It is minus 7 by 2 of b minus a into log 2 minus log 5. So this can be written as minus 7 by 2 of b plus a into 5 minus log 2. So final answer that I will get here is that. So what is that you will have? So this is equal to, therefore 1 to 2 f of x dx is equal to 1 by b squared minus a squared within brackets a into 5 minus log 2 minus 7 by 2 of b. So this is the answer. So are you able to catch how this is done? So here it's not a big difficult problem. Here only thing is that you must know how to attack this problem so that you will get the answer. So that if you know that small trick of doing it, you can get the answer. So this is all about, this is an important problem. Take care of this. Similar problems are there. You can practice while you practice for JEE or IIT exams. Thank you.